My name is Jairo de Silva Vesga from grade 1102, and today I got to talk about dinosaurs and animals. But first of all, we got into more context. The dinosaurs became extinct 66 million years ago, which studies say was because of meteorites. Reptiles were the ones that dominated the plants, but there were also other species. Characters of dinosaurs. The Pteropods, they were carnivorous reptiles with the a class the many eat easy for the hunt, either individual or in groups. They reproduce in an oviparous way they place their egg in nests. The carnivorous species feed on herbivores and even one their own species. Character of animal. Not all animal species like egg. Their sexual reproduction is different from each species. For example, some are sexual, others asexual, and others unisexual. Wild animals and herbivores are not as giant as dinosaurs were. The similarity between both species, the iguanas and Komodo dragons, have similar the reptile velociraptor, the Spinosaurus, and on its tail and T4 there were feet reptiles that have it, and one of the is the basilisk promiflash or green. The Dilophosaurus, this dinosaur had a neckline around its head to scare away its enemy. Therefore, an animal of today has its tail is the Chalmanosaurus kingi. There is like a space of iguana. Thank you very much.